Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there in TV land. Robert and I got home a little bit ago and went grocery shopping like we normally do on Sunday morning. Wow, amateur hour, not for us, but some of the people who were there. You could tell that husbands that don't go shopping normally because they were there. Either they were shopping for their wives or they were there getting flowers. Kind of the, oops, I forgot. Yeah, traffic jams. Not fun. All right, last night I did roasted flounder with a lemon Parmesan cream sauce over a bed of stir-fried or sauteed spinach with Parmesan garlic butter rice and the Amish copper pennies. The meal was wonderful. Robin enjoyed it very much. And how does she put it? Restaurant style. Nope, I'm getting no.
Fancy restaurant quality.
Fancy restaurant quality. That's a quote. She just told me that. So, it was really good. I'll get the recipes up for all these dishes. And today, being Mother's Day, Robin had a choice of anything. Anything. Now, she did say shrimp scampi, but I nixed that because I did that for Valentine's. She chose a Greek dish, and I'm going to try to get this right. Spanikopita. It's a spinach and cheese, basically pot pie. Let me show it to you. You got some hardware going. Saute pan and a pie plate. We got some frozen spinach going on here. A sheet of puff pastry. We've got ricotta cheese. The last time I made this, which was several months ago, the recipe that I used originally called out for cottage cheese. Many of you people said, no, don't do that. So I've changed it to ricotta. There'll be some diced yellow onion, garlic, Parmesan, some eggs, and just a touch of nutmeg. So that's the Mother's Day meal for Robin. I have decided I will do the chocolate mousse too tomorrow while Robin's at work, and we'll have that for dessert for tomorrow night. So on this Mother's Day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.